Good evening. I am Shilpi Gupta, lecturer Instrumentation and Control, Government Girls Polytechnic Lucknow. Here I am presenting a topic of process and instrumentation engineering, which is installation procedure and the installation of different instruments which is used in process industries. First, we will discuss about the basic of installation instruments. These type of sophisticated instruments are used in automatic process control engineering, and it can improve the product quality and reduce the cost of processing. With the help of installation, the automation procedure can be easily implemented in technical field. These instruments basically pressure, temperature, flow, level, humidity, etc. can be installed in the industry. The different instrument symbols of instruments used in process industries are shown here. Basically, indicators are of different types, which is shown here, and temperature indicator are also indicated here with the help of diagram. Some pressure and flow level transmitter etc. can be shown. Different types of valve and its symbols are shown here, which is used in different places in process industries. Some type of strainer, arrestor, and de-superheater, educator, flexible hose, inline mixer, rotary valve, etc. can be used. Here it is also shown that the line representation of different process flow is also some gate valve, globe valve, ball valve, different butterfly valves are shown here. The selection criteria for different instrument is also elaborated here. First of all, we have to choose which kind of instrument is used for particular application, and we have to consider all the operating cases such as normal and maximum or emergency operation. Around this, we have to collect all the process data for operating the instrument and different type of properties of fluid, different types of environment conditions etc. can be responsible for choosing the instrument. Each instrument is different kind and it is designed by the manufacturers. We have focused here only for flow instrument, pressure instrument and temperature instruments. As we consider flow instrument installations, first of all it is to be ensured that instruments which are flow direction sensitive like control, valve regulator, vortex meters, and we have to check with marking on instrument before installation. And we have to ensure that dummy holes on instrument supplies can be blocked and it can be used according to the manufacturer written instruction. These meters must be installed in the corner direction to flow. It must be ensured that there are no air pocket in the section of the pipe, and such in meter can be operated in full flowing pipe so we can check all the condition during operation. For flow instrument installations, some points should be considered like liquid filtering device appropriate must be installed, suitable backflow preventer can be used. If the meter is of electromagnetic type, it should be earthen correctly, and meter must be mounted in such way it can allow easy access and reading of display. These are pressure instrument installation conditions. Pressure gauge should have a high quality block valve followed by a bleed valve and then followed by a gauge. If these type of instrument is located at a significant distance, the pressure takeoff installation should have a double block and bleed arrangement between the process piping and the instrument. The bleed valve should be located so it may act as the vent valve if the instrument impulse line must be flushed or filled. The block valve immediately upstream of the instrument should be part of manifold assembly. When a sealing fluid is required, a drain valve in downstream is needed to be installed. So far as temperature instrument installation is considered, the appropriate sensor should be located at a place where it have limited exposure to direct or reflected sunlight. You can say that external temperature cannot be sensed by the sensor. It should be placed at least 2 meters from the man-made source of heat, such that radiation etc. cannot be affect the sensors. Keep the sensor away from AC power line so that the temperature which is from AC power line cannot be disturb the sensor reading. Do not run the sensor cable parallel to house wiring. And some more, just as mount the sensor at least 10 meters from high voltage power transformer. Keep the environment condition in mind while installing the temperature installation, and range of physical variable can also be considered. Thank you.